Now I think this should have been a feature that should have been implemented to the Mini 5 Pro at the very start. Now I want to talk about the latest update from DJI in regards to the RC2 controller and the Mini 5 Pro drone. Now first off is the RC2 controller. Now that is version 10.00.0300 and that is 1.4 gig or 1390 megabytes roughly in that update. Now that update is for the new Lito 1 and Lito X1 drones that have just come out from DJI. Next is the update to the DJI Simulator. Now most of that 1.4 gig is probably mostly for this. Before you had 3 maps, but now you have basically a lesson system in there. You've got a basic guide, and as you can see here, you've got understanding the obstacle sensing, you've got intelligent features such as drone, rocket and that so forth. But there's other ones that are coming soon, which are flight safety. You've got emergency procedures and a final test. Now it's going to be interesting to see exactly what they are, but at least it gives you the opportunity to use your RC2 controller to fly around in the safety of your own home, master those controls before going out there and flying outside. It gives you a bit more confidence. Now the next bit of the update is the Mini 5 Pro update. Now this I think should have been implemented at the very start of bringing these drones out. So next is the Mini 5 Pro. Now as you can see here, this is the Mini 5 Pro with its green flashing LEDs. Now the firmware version for this was version v1.21.0 and this basically just stated it was fixed some known issues. Now as you can see on here, this is the green flashing lights on there, and the RC2 controller is right next to it. Now when it's up in the air at night time, you can see those green flashing lights as you are flying along. But the problem is, as you can see now, as soon as you push the record function on the RC2 controller, the switch off, which basically means that it's not legal to fly because there's not a constant green flashing light. Now the good thing is with this update they have a new feature. Now when you go into your RC2 controller, as you can see here, and go to your safety settings and scroll down, you will see a new feature for those LEDs, and you've got auto and you've got on. Now when it comes to automatic, that is basically exactly what it was before. You'd fly it up, you'd have your green flashing lights. As soon as you hit record, it turns it off completely. That's obviously so you don't get any green reflection in water or the side of buildings, in windows and the likes. Some people don't like that. But if you just want to record ahead of you and you're not bothered about green flashing lights, or they're not seen in your footage, you can switch it to now on. And now what will that do is it will basically have them on permanently. So when you're filming, you may see green flashes in your footage if you're going over water, going past windows or buildings or anything like that where it shows a reflection. But it does mean it will be on permanently. As soon as you hit that record button, as you can see now, the lights are flashing. I hit record on the RC2 controller and those lights are still flashing green. Now that is perfect for flying at night. It means you're conforming with those nighttime rules. You've got a constant green flashing LED on your drone, regardless if it's just flying or you are recording. And I think this is a feature that should have been implemented at the very start. And if you watched my rules video, which was maybe a couple of weeks ago, I did think, why can't I do a firmware version to have it automatic or sort of have it as it is, or permanently on? And thankfully DJI have taken notice of the CAA, and all of the drone users have been going, why don't you do this? They finally implemented that firmware to get it so you can fly at night legally, following the CAA rules, and everything is above board. So I just thought I'd share that little video and show you exactly what is going on there. So thank you so much for watching this little update, and now we can get up in the skies at night, fly safely within the rules and have fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment below and let us know how you're getting on. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you all in the next video. So happy flying and bye-bye.